What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. As you can see, we are starting to do some more growth here in Baby Doge and the overall crypto market. So we're going to be talking about this. Going to be talking about where we're going next with Baby Doge and the overall crypto market and where we're heading with these prices. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go straight over this. So, right now, you can see Baby Doge is actually in control by the bulls by 80%. So, that's actually pretty good. And you can even see over here on the oscillator, we're actually getting some buying volume coming in. So, we're doing pretty good here with the buying volume, more buying coming in. But we do have these red supply and demand areas pretty much showing that we have less demand, pretty much resistance over here at like 1550, and then some more resistance and less demand up here around 1590 all the way up to about 1784. There's way less demand there, so we're probably going to see slow movements there. It's going to be a little bit hard for us to break that area. But anyways, like I said, it is still quite possible that we trend down to 1260. It's still possible. So don't just throw it out the window because it's still possible for this to happen. Now, we got a lot to go over when it comes to the prices, when it comes to technicals, because remember, the only reason why we're down is because all the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, is not down. Like Baby Doge isn't down because Baby Doge is a bad coin or something like that. It's because the whole overall crypto market is going down, and it's because all the FUD inside the crypto market. So the first thing with all the FUD in the crypto market is pretty much the variant. The variant is going crazy, making people go crazy. Then you got the whole infrastructure thing. You got the tax things, all the taxing that we got going on here. We just got so much stuff with crypto being banned in China, crypto being regulated in India, crypto being regulated by the Bank of England inside of Britain. We got a lot of stuff going on for all of crypto. And then we have the whole thing with all the taxes. I did mention the taxes already, but there's just so much going on. But anyways, let's move on from that. Let's talk about the price where Baby Doge could possibly go. So Baby Doge could hit the 1260 area very soon. Now, if Baby Doge hits 1260, then like I said in my previous videos, it is possible for us to add another zero. But I do want to mention something right now. We are bullish here. The 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 80%. So we may actually be able to break past the supply and demand of less demand. So we may actually be able to rise. But one thing I'm seeing is there's no green areas showing more demand. There's only like more demand back here of our previous areas where we previously were, but there's no green areas of more demand right now. So we are obviously on an uptrend here, but it could be temporary is pretty much what I'm saying. Now, let's go over a few other things. So we have Baby Doge up right now 0.9% in the last 24 hours. So this is definitely some weird movement right here with Baby Doge. I've been noticing that the volume here is very low. Baby Doge has very low volume. It's almost like we shook out all the weak hands. Like we got all the paper hands people out, all the people that just sell because they see it go down just a little bit. It's almost like we got all of them out, and now we're at $250.4 million market cap. But $2.9 million trading volume for $250 million market cap, that's very low. That's very low. And the fact that we're just kind of staying here constant is definitely it's a good thing. You know, it's a good thing that we're not just completely going down huge. But I want to mention a few other things here. You can even see with the chart. This chart just looks very it looks very skittish. This is how low volume and low market cap charts look. Whenever you have a crypto that has a very low volume, you see these random spikes inside the chart pretty much because, you know, not much people are selling. So when you do see a sell, it's significant. When you do see a buy, it's significant. So that's why we're seeing this happen like this. So this is definitely crazy that the Baby Doge volume is very low and that we're still going on an uptrend here. So it's definitely pretty good. We're having very bullish movement now. So this is definitely a good sign. But we do need to get some more volume. I just hope that it's going to be buying volume and not selling. But yeah, it definitely seems like we got the paper hands people out. But anyways, you can see the crypto market is trying to recover. We got Bitcoin back above $47,000. So that's definitely pretty good. Ethereum at 3,900. And yeah, everything's just still trying to recover here. But let's talk about a few other things here with Baby Doge, like our holders. So as you can see over here, we do have 1,049,856 holders. And sometime inside January, we will have 1.1 million holders. So that's definitely pretty big because we've been pushing for this for a long time, trying to get all the way up to 2 million now. Like 2 million is our new target. First, we got to get past 1.1 million and so on, and then we'll finally be at 2 million. But yeah, anyways, we're still getting these burns every single day. We're still going to be getting the burn for New Year's on New Year's Day. So I don't know how big it's going to be. It's probably going to be another 5 quadrillion burn because New Year's is pretty big. Or maybe it'll be a 7 quadrillion because it'll be Baby Dogecoin's 7th birthday. I think it'll be Baby Doge's 7th or 8th, one of those two. But yeah, we should be getting like 5 quadrillion burned on the 1st of January starting next year. So that's going to be really big for us. Definitely pretty excited to see another burn coming very soon. So yeah, just sit and wait for it, and we'll watch as it comes to us. So anyways, moving on to the next thing, Baby Doge is now training inside of India. That's definitely pretty good. Baby Doge trading in India. India has a pretty big presence with Shiba Inu because of the whole donation that happened with Vitalik Buterin and Shiba Inu in India. So now India is now also big on Baby Doge too. So India is like one of the biggest countries in the world in population. They have so many people there. So that's a lot of people that can now invest inside Baby Doge because it's now trending out there. So hopefully it definitely gets out there. Hopefully people find out about it and hopefully they start investing in it way more. Now, moving on from that, let's talk about the paw map. Just do a little bit of a quick recap here. We already got our wallet tracker out. We already got the Ethereum bridge out. NFT collection doing pretty good over here, and it's pretty much getting audited right now. So the Baby Doge wallet is going to be coming out sometime next year, as long with the Baby Doge debit cards and the Baby Doge exchange. So we're supposed to be getting the Baby Doge wallet, the debit cards, and the Baby Doge exchange all like inside of a short time period. Like they said that they're all going to come out at the same time, but I think it'll be kind of hard for them to do that at the same time, but possibly like the same week. But yeah, sometime in the beginning of next year, possibly January or February, we'll be seeing the Baby Doge wallet, the virtual and physical Baby Doge debit cards, and the Baby Doge exchange coming out all at the same time or near each other inside of January and February. But yeah, Baby Doge Arcade, the play to earn game, is going to be pretty nice. And they're also talking about making a metaverse community for it. So we're going to have some metaverse gameplay inside of the Baby Doge Arcade as well. And the Baby Doge NFT marketplace, yeah, a lot of stuff. So the Baby Doge NFT marketplace is going to be pretty big too. And I think they're also going to be accepting the NFT payments inside of Baby Doge. But don't mark me on that. I think there might be though. But anyways, that is a lot of good stuff going on left and right with Baby Doge. But let's talk about where we could possibly go in Baby Doge according to the overall crypto market, because we know everything's following Bitcoin. We know that pretty much everything's going to follow Bitcoin. So let's go over this. Right now we're at 47.1K. But over here you can see crypto analyst Justin Bennett predicts reversal scenarios for Bitcoin and one enterprise blockchain altcoin. So let's go over this. So over here, you can see closely followed crypto analyst Justin Bennett is predicting how Bitcoin and one more altcoin will reverse out of their corrections and back into bull territory. So if Bitcoin reverses out of this downtrend, this correction that we're in, and goes into the bullish territory, then that means everything else will do the same thing as well. That means Baby Doge is going to be doing the reversal and going back on an uptrend if Bitcoin does the same thing. So that's why we got to watch out for this. Now, over here, you can see Bennett has been talking about the double bottom structure after retesting the December 4th low for Baby Dogecoin near $40,000. So he's pretty much saying around $40,000 is going to be that support where we're going to have that reversal at. And he says that's what's going to happen before we launch to another rally above 60K, retesting our all-time highs. So over here, he'd say, I like to see Bitcoin fill that December 4th wick and maybe something like this. So this is pretty much what he's talking about. Let's go ahead and put this aside of a new page here. So over here, you can see the descending triangle, and you can see this, the green and the red bars pretty much show where we're currently at, what our price is. And then this yellow bar pretty much shows the prediction that he made. So pretty much he's saying we're going to break out of this descending triangle somewhere around here at, this looks like around 45.5K. And then we're probably going to break out of the consolidation and end up hitting that support down there, maybe around $42,000 or $40,000. And then pretty much he's saying after that, though, we're going to break back up into an uptrend after that. And what's actually surprising about this, when you look at a lot of descending triangles, right at the end of them, when you see that they're consolidating, they usually break out the consolidation on a negative downtrend, but very briefly before they actually go back on an uptrend and go back into the consolidation out into the actual uptrend. So we actually might see something like that happen this time, where we break out of our consolidation and then, kind of like a bear trap. So that's pretty much what it is. So this could be a bear trap. I've been saying it could be a bull trap, and then we go down lower below 40K. But he's pretty much saying this could be a bear trap when we see it break out of our consolidation. So I'm definitely excited to see what happens there. I want to see if we can actually do something like this, because if we can, this is definitely going to be like the best case scenario for crypto. Like nothing below 40K. Like we see crypto go below 40K, Bitcoin go below 40K, then it's not going to be a good time for crypto. But anyways, this definitely matters because Baby Doge is going to be following the same trajectory because everything's following Bitcoin. So over here it says Bennett says explains why he's still bullish on Bitcoin even if it moves below the key psychological level of 40K. So he said even if it goes below 40K, he's still bullish. So basically he said over here, the two scenarios where I'd be a buyer would be a retest of $40,000 down here on a reclaim of $53,000. And then he said, I've not opposed to the idea of a move below $40,000. So he said, I know a lot of people are saying if Bitcoin drops below 40K, it's very bearish. And he says, I don't necessarily believe that just because, yes, we would lose this low from December 4th and you want to see higher highs and higher lows. I did say that if Bitcoin goes below 40K, we're probably going to be bearish. But when I said that, I mean, like, yeah, if we go below 40K, you're probably going to see people freak out and start selling out even more, which is going to cause another flash crash. But usually that stuff is temporary. So it's like a short-term bearish outlook if Bitcoin goes below that area. So if Bitcoin goes below 40K, then you'll probably see Baby Doge adding on another zero if Bitcoin goes below 40K. Because 40K for Bitcoin is like 1260 for Baby Doge. And then 35K for Bitcoin, it's probably more like adding another zero onto Baby Doge. So that's probably what we could see. But anyways, over here he said, I get that you wouldn't want to see the market close below 40K. However, if we get a retest of $35,000, you have to understand that back here to early 2021, you could have said the same thing. And actually $35,000, that would be pretty low and a good buying opportunity. And the buying opportunities actually present buying opportunities where the actual momentum starts to happen at. Momentum builds up from the buying opportunities, from the dips that we have. So that's where we could get this momentum from. Then over here, he said we get a new all-time high. So clearly that wasn't the case. And, because we were a little bit bearish last year and then out of nowhere we blew up. And then he said, and to me, I see 40K as a very similar situation. So anything could happen at this point. I mean, hopefully hopefully Baby Dogecoin actually decides to break out with Bitcoin whenever we have something like this happen. This is the whole video that he made here with just a minute if you want to watch it. But yeah, anyways, I definitely believe Baby Doge has some very good bullish trajectories for the future. Long term, very bullish. Right now, short term, we're definitely going to have to see a 45K Bitcoin soon. And if Bitcoin hits 45K, it's almost for sure going to hit 40K. So hopefully it doesn't go below 40K. Hopefully Baby Doge doesn't go below 1260. But this is pretty much the price prediction and the technical analysis of Baby Doge and where we could go next. And the reason why I was going over Bitcoin, because we all follow Bitcoin. We got to know what Bitcoin's doing if we're going to be, effectively following the market. We got to follow that trend. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this today and let you all know exactly what I feel about Baby Doge and how I feel this is about to play out. But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Beta Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.